you are struggling to find good questions, advanced level questions for CSET, or if you're someone who wants to revise the CSET through the questions, or if you are someone who is, let's say, in the range of 70 to 80 marks or maybe beyond 80 marks and wants to improve the score, or maybe wants to get the knack of practice in CSET, we are bringing a wonderful trademark product of Sunya IAS, which is CSET 500. First of all, from the name 500, this particular course has 500 advanced level questions. When I say advanced level questions, I don't mean that they are the difficult questions. Rather, they are the questions which are as per the recent ongoing trend. See, whether you agree with me or not, there is a constant problem right now in the market that students face difficulty to find the good quality questions, the questions which are relevant, the questions which are of current standards, right? So that is where we are making your life easy. We are bringing the 500 recent level questions, topic wise arranged, subject wise arranged. First thing, now this batch is not only about the questions, this is a live batch. Now live batch matlab what we will be doing is, we will be first of all doing the practice of CSET, and secondly we will be revising the CSET through live questions. So this particular batch will be having 5 different sessions, 5-day long sessions, starting from 19th of March. Now in every session we will be discussing 100 questions. So how it will work? In every question, for every question we will be opening a timer in front of you. We'll give you the time to solve it. It will be conducted both offline at Delhi and in the online live mode, for which you will get the recording later. That is another part of the story. But in live mode, we will be opening the timer. We'll give you the time to solve the question. Once all of you have solved, once the timer is over, we will discuss the question along with the concepts hidden in the question, right? So that is how we will be covering the syllabus also, advanced level questions also, topic wise. Okay. 5-day log classes are there. Each class is of 10 to 8 hour duration. Let me tell you very frankly, we want you to get yourself trained for the final D-Day. And you have to understand one thing, that you will be exhausted once you are done with the GS paper. So we will take a long session so that we exhaust you, right? And then we'll ask you to perform in the questions. Each class has a target of around 80 to 100 questions. Let's say if you are not able to complete 100 questions, rest will be homework. The similar linking questions will be homework for the class. Then faculty will use a timer for every question. Post the question will be discussed. This helps you to in revision of the concept as well. So you are practicing also, you are revising also live in the classes. So only 5 days we'll be meeting, starting from 19th of March. Every week we will be having a session. So what we request you in a way is that you please allot a single day for the CSET in a week, at least for CSET 500, right? Then also you may allot maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, depends on the preparation phase, depend on you at on daily basis what you want to allot. So it is starting from 19th March. It will help you in the time improvement also. There is an issue where students are not able to solve the paper on time. So it will help you in the time management also. It will make you pressurized to solve the question within the time, right? So it will train your mind again and again that how you have to perform in the CSET final paper. So it will help you to boost the confidence. Advanced quality questions are there. It will improve your CSET score. So especially for those, either you are stuck on the, let's say, 50 to 60 range or maybe below it, a good batch of advanced level questions. Or else if you want to revise the things, if you are in the range which is beyond 70 but you want to revise the things, you want to practice something before the final exam, a very decent batch, CSET 500. It is online also, it is offline also. Offline we have the limited seats, and almost when I am recording this video, the seats are filled. Okay, so if you want to get a seat offline, just reach the office, ask them whether the seats are available or not. For online you can always register with the seats, right? Rest there is a number which is given, so 8383950315, on which you can contact either on the WhatsApp or through the call to get further details on CSET 500. That is it from my side. See you in the batch. Please don't miss this batch, especially those students who have been in touch with me. There's something which I back very strongly, that you should be practicing some advanced level questions before you go into the final exam hall, right? Because GS तो हम कर लेते हैं, but CSET को अगर ignore किया तो that may cost you a year. Thank you. See you in the batch.